Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make your Gmail account from your Android phone. So first of all, we have to go to the Gmail. So in Google's, this is the Gmail. So click on Gmail. So you will see such interface like this. So what you need to do is click on the right corner if you have already logged into any of your account. If you haven't logged in to any account, you won't see this interface. They will directly ask you the second window which I will show you. So what you have to do is, if you have already logged into some account, you have to do is add another account. So it will show you the interface like this if you haven't made any account yet. So it asks you to make an account on Google, Outlook, Hotmail, Live, Yahoo, whatever. So what we are going to make is a Google account. So click on Google. So it's checking up your information. It needs the password or the fingerprint. So it is approved. Now it wants your account. So if you have an account, you can add your account. So what we are going to do here is to make an account. So you can see in the bottom, create account option, this. So I'm clicking here. So it will move to the page where we have to enter our name. So it is just like a channel fun. Okay, so the first name is channel and the last name is fun, channel fun. Whatever your name is, you can write here. Next is the date, day, month, and year, your gender. Next, so you can choose a Gmail address from here, or you can create your different Gmail address. I want to create my own, so it is C Fun Channel Fun. Okay, let's try if it is available or not. So I guess it is available. So click on next. The username is taken already. So what you can do is to change a little bit. Channel Fun double N. Let's try again. This username is already taken. So channel 122. Next, this is also taken. Channel Fun 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is already taken. Okay, what we can do is channel Fun 777. Okay, so finally the channel name is approved. Sorry, the ID email address is approved. So I have created my password here. Now you need to confirm it by repeating the same password here. So next, this is privacy and terms. If you want to read that, you can read. Otherwise, go scroll down and click on agree. I agree. So this is now your Google account is created. Thanks channel, whatever your name will be shown here. Thanks channel. This email address and password has been created. You can see this is done. Google Hi channel, welcome. Finished setting up your new Google account. So this is a welcome mail which you have got from Google. So this is all set and done. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more such videos, so comment below so that I can make the next video on your required topic. Thank you.